All right, so here's what the box looks like. It's on its side. I cut all the tape off. This piece slides out, and the truck is in there pretty well packaged, I have to say. It's sitting in there. You can see the batteries and the charger there. Looks like there's a manual down here with some parts. Looks to be a catalog, a sticker sheet. The wheel wrench, a couple of battery spacers. I imagine that's for the smaller batteries to go in there. And then the manual for this here. So I'm going to try to pull this out with one hand. We'll put it on the desk. I've seen some other videos where you need to cut off the wire ties to get the vehicle to unhook itself from the box. So here we go. Okay, so there it is, pulled out of the box. Nothing else is in there except for, looks like just some protection here in the bottom of the box, so we'll get that out of the way. Quite a packaging. I have to say that Traxxas does a really nice job packaging things. So in here is the remote. I'll open these individually so we can see, because part of the reason I bought this is because I wasn't really sure exactly what came with this. Because the ones that I've seen people unboxing haven't really done a good job explaining. So it comes with the TQI. I believe that's the one with the Bluetooth module, which you can see is actually in the back of the remote here. So you can use the Traxxas Link app, which is pretty cool. You know, the remotes are not great quality as far as like the, you know, the fit and finish of it, but they do work. They're a decent remote, and their range is pretty good, 2.4 gigahertz. And really, I've had quite a few Traxxas models in the last couple of years, and they've all worked well, so I can't really say anything about the remotes. They do work. All right, so I do have to say these tires on this thing is friggin' monstrous. So I want to try to figure out a way to do this while holding the camera. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to, so let's put the phone down. All right, so here we go. Here is the truck completely out. I think I might have touched the screen on this. Okay, there we go. In here is part of the reason why this is a better deal than buying an X Maxx, as it is. Because you get a charger. It's the Easy Peak Dual, so you can charge two batteries at the same time. And like I said before, it has the two 3-cell 5,000 mAh 3S batteries in here. So that right there is enough. If you don't want to do 6S, you can sell it and recoup some of your money. But this thing is just a beautiful rendition of a truck. It's tremendously big. Let me get a tape measure out and we can measure how big this thing is. So from end to end, the truck is from bumper to bumper 2 feet 3 inches, just about a little bit longer actually, about 2 feet 5 inches. It's got a pretty significant wheelie bar in the back. And there's that really cool lift gate that I've seen on some other videos. It just kind of pops down. So you can see in there that it comes down, and there's all LED lights all up in here. So it looks really nicely done. You can see the big wire ties down there holding the body on the body, or the body on the shell. So I'll go ahead and take that off. That's really nicely done. A nice little trailer hitch type tow bar in the front. It's got really nice looking shocks. It's pretty heavy and it's quite a large vehicle. So I'll go ahead and take all the stuff off and we'll start again. So we'll call this part 2 and the new part will be part 3.